Hello everyone, this is Teacher Makarwa, again taking you through Science and Technology Grade 6, topic Reproductive System. So, the reproductive system are the body organs that helps in reproduction. The reproductive system are the body organs that help in reproduction. There are two reproductive systems that we are going to look about. We have the male and the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system and the male reproductive system. So, the parts of the female reproductive system are ovary, oviduct or the fallopian tube, womb, and cervix and vagina. So there is a chart showing the parts of the female reproductive system which I'm going to display. Okay, so this is the chart of the female reproductive system. We have the oviduct, which is also called the fallopian tube. We have the ovary. We have the uterus, which is also called the womb. We have the cervix. And also we have the vagina. So those are the parts of the female reproductive system. So if we want to look at the function of each part, let's start with the vagina here. Okay. The vagina, it is an elastic tube that extends from the vaginal opening, the vulva, to the cervix. Vagina is an elastic tube that extends from the vaginal opening, that is the vulva, to the cervix. It starts from here. It is an elastic tube which starts from the vaginal opening, the vulva here, down to up to the cervix. And this is the cervix. So here is the vagina. That is the vagina. And it receives sperms during intercourse. This is where the sperms are being deposited during intercourse. It is the birth canal through which the baby passes through during birth. It is the birth canal where the baby passes during birth. The cervix connects the vagina and the uterus. It connects the vagina and the uterus. Here is the cervix. It connects the vagina and the uterus. It produces mucus that allows the passage of the baby. It produces mucus that facilitates entry of sperms. So the cervix here produces a mucus which facilitates the passage of sperm into the uterus up to the oviduct. It opens to allow passage of the baby from the uterus to the vagina during birth. It opens and allows passage of the baby from the uterus to the vagina during birth. And that is about the cervix. Now the uterus, it is where fertilization develops into fetus. So this is where the baby develops. This is where the baby develops. The uterus here is where the baby develops. The womb, where the baby develops. And the oviduct, it is a tube that connects the ovary and the uterus. It is a tube, the oviduct. It is a tube that connects the ovary and the oviduct. The ovary, it connects the ovary oviduct connect the ovary and the uterus here. It is where fertilization takes place. Oviduct is where fertilization takes place. And fertilization is the fusion of the male sex cell called the sperm and the female sex cell called the ova. So if they fuse here, and that is called fertilization. Then we have the ovary. The ovary, they are oval-shaped. They are oval-shaped, two oval-shaped organs placed on either sides of the uterus. There are two oval-shaped placed on the other side of the uterus. They are placed on both sides, and they produce ovum in a process called ovulation. They produce ova in a process called ovulation. So they release a mature ova. This site also release mature ova in a process called ovulation. Ovary also produces some hormones. They produces hormones. So that is the function of each part of the female reproductive organ. So let's look at parts of the male reproductive system. And the parts of the male reproductive system are the penis, testes, urethra, and glands. Where we have prostate gland, seminal vesicle gland, and corpus gland. So the function of each of the parts, let us see the parts first. Let's see the parts. So male reproductive organ. So we can see the parts. I've talked about the penis, the testes, the scrotum, sperm duct, prostate gland, seminal vesicle, corpus gland, all those. So the function of each part, the penis, it is the male organ, the male sex organ. The penis, it is the male sex organ, and it hangs outside. It transfers sperms into the vagina. It transfers sperms into the vagina during sexual intercourse. They transfer sperms into the vagina during intercourse. And the testes, they are oval-shaped. They are oval-shaped, enclosed in a scrotum, which hangs outside the body. So the testes are enclosed in a sac-like structure called scrotum. They are enclosed in a scrotum, which hangs outside the body. So the testes produce male sex cell, the sperms. Testes produce male sex cells called the sperms, and they also produce hormones. Then you have the urethra. Urethra is a tube that connects the testes and the outside. Urethra is a tube that runs through the penis. It runs through the penis, and it passes out sperms and urine out of the body. The function of the urethra is to pass out urine and sperms out of the body. We have sperm duct. Sperm duct connects the testes and the urethra. It connects the testes and the urethra, and it allows the passage of sperms to the urethra. It allows the passage of sperm to the urethra. And the glands here produce seminal fluid. The glands here produce seminal fluid, which helps the sperm to move and be alive. The seminal fluid, which are produced by the glands, helps the sperm to move and to keep them alive. So sperms, together with the seminal fluid, give us what we call semen. So sperms plus seminal fluid give us semen, and the semen is what is being passed out here, which carries sperms. And that is all for the lesson. Thank you for your time.